How to create a shortcut in Audacity. Step 1. Go into Edit Preferences. Step 2. In the left column, click Keyboard. Step 3. Scroll down until you see the action for which you want to create the shortcut. Step 4. Click the action to highlight it. Step 5. At the bottom, click the box to the left of the Set button. Step 6. Type a shortcut. In this example, I am using Ctrl-N for noise reduction, but this is where you pick your own shortcut. Click the Set button. If the shortcut is already in use, you will see a message like this. If you never use the shortcut that is being overridden, then it is perfectly fine to click OK. Step 7. Click OK to confirm your new shortcut setting. That's it. I hope this helped you.